It's a 4-wheel drive. Could have ridden our bikes up here too. We just didn't have enough time to do everything we wanted to do. Grayton Beach State Park, you definitely need to ride your bikes down here to the little town of Watercolor.
Sure.
It looks awesome. A little detour.
Finally talked Lynn into buying a sailboat, so there's a boat show here. No, there's a boat show here. We stopped to get hamburgers, and we're going shopping. And now there's a boat show, so we do have a Sea-Doo switch, which is one of the things we've been looking at getting for our lake house, and looks like a good combination. So we're going to go look at that for sure, if it doesn't cost too much money to go in here. So now we're just meandering around. It costs a little bit to get in here, but hey, we're here. Hey, we'll go look, right? There's some beautiful, beautiful boats here. This is what we're thinking about for something for our little lake. Pretty cool. Sea-Doo switch. I don't think our EKKO can tow any of these over here. I bet you could put a skier behind this. What do you think? Look at the power of this cool little motor in it. Stick 3 more just like it on here. One on each of the canopy poles. We've got 1,600 horsepower. So how much is going to cost? Just to let you know, we're not going to get it. There's so much you have to ask for the price. I bet so. Just walking in the shade.
We didn't buy a boat.
No, that was a weird stop. We stopped to go to Five Guys to grab a quick lunch. Ended up at a shopping area.
A big shopping area.
Ferris wheel and lots of shops.
We didn't do the Ferris wheel.
We didn't. I'm afraid of heights. But then we're driving out. We see a boat show. I think we might go there and at least get to look at a Sea-Doo switch. And what did you think of it?
I don't know.
I don't think it'd get back in our little channel that's so shallow, would it?
Right now.
Yeah. So.
But I did get a couple of koozies.
Hey, that's fun. Let me show you.
I don't know who they are.
Pensacola Shipyard. That one costs $15.
This one costs another $15. A little expensive for koozies.
But yeah, most expensive boat that we saw there, I didn't see all of them.
Yeah.
$900,000. That's a lot of money, isn't it?
Can you live on it?
Yeah, you could live on it.
Could you?
Well, you'd have to if you bought it. It ain't like a Rebel. You can't park it at a state park for sure, no. Which is where we're going to go now after we stop at Publix and Walmart. And then we're not going back out again for 3 or 4 more days.
Yeah. Not what I expected.
So we're here, and the first impressions are it's a very, very touristy area for a state park, but it's supposed to be one that's full of nature and out in the middle of nowhere once we get in here. So we'll see about that. But so far, it looks like a grown-up Myrtle Beach kind of area all the way down through there, which surprised both of us.
And then you just end up at the park. It's like the road just ends at the park.
Yeah. So yeah, then
not like you have a turnoff.
Yeah. It's like right here, right at the very end of the beach boulevard. There's the park, which is good because I think we can ride our bikes back to all the touristy stuff, but we can still have the privacy and the seclusion of the state park. We're hoping. That's the hope.
One of the things that we noticed while we're out doing our grocery shopping, that it appears to be spring break. So there's lots of kids out. But I don't know if kids really go camping.
I don't think so. Panama City, this whole Panama City Beach area, it is a popular place for spring breakers for sure. Check-in process is perfect here.
At the overflow parking lot.
We give you an overview of what the campsites are going to look like.
Camping rig and other items are to be secured.
Got everything that we're going to need. We'll go back out here and get in the EKKO and go get checked in.
So here's our drive into the park. First impressions are good.
Yeah.
Make the first left. Campers Drive. Nope, we don't. Oh,
Yeah.
Yep. I was thinking Owen was going to drop by it. Hope we got good neighbors.
Me too, babe.
It's a magpie, I think. She thinks it's just like any other campground. That's what she's saying. So it is definitely right on the water. Look at that.
It is.
That's pretty cool. That little house over there.
Yeah. I wish we were on the water side.
Oh, we're not on the water side.
I'm sorry, sweetheart.
It's okay.
I've done really good with booking these things, but just probably messed up on this one.
It's all right. It looks pretty cool, though. I know,
you.
right there we are. Oh my goodness. Right on the water. Isn't that not awesome?
I got you. I'm
You
sorry.
did.
That was bad. I really apologize.
That's awesome.
Okay, what do you think?
Oh, I like it. This is beautiful here.
Here's where we are. And I'll walk down here and show you the water's edge. I didn't want to tell her that we were on the water here because I didn't want it to get built up and let's not have a site that really would let us get to the water. But we have our own little beach. Yeah. Oh man.
That's awesome.
Pretty cool?
That is cool.
Yeah. These are brand new campsites too. They were really devastated with one of the last hurricanes, so they rebuilt the entire thing. Everything is new and everything is just pristine. So first things first, we're going to take the bikes off the back and take the bike rack off so we can deploy the awning and sit back here looking at the water. People ask us all the time if we like the Batwing awning, and to be truthful, on this trip there haven't been that many places that we felt like it was a huge advantage to take it out and to put it back up. But here, with this view of this water 50 feet from the back of the RV, we're in the shade and we're protected from anything that happens to be falling from the sky, whether it's dew or rain or bird droppings. Yep, it's worth it. It's a $2,400 edition if you order it with it. We didn't pay that. We bought ours used and it was already on there. But you know what? I think if we had to do it all over again, times like this would mean we'd have a hard time not wanting to buy another one. You agree, Mother?
I agree. It's nice out here.
By the way, when it comes to this spot, I did good. The booking process, it's impossible to get onto here. And we actually booked this one by setting up a test between Wandering Labs and Camp Nab. And every other time, Camp Nab has won because they seem to be so diligent at checking all the sites. But this time, I looked on the notes, and sure enough, this is one that I booked by setting it up on wanderinglabs.com. And if you want us to do a review of both of those, let us know in the comments and we'll tell you how we use both of those services. It's almost impossible to get a cancellation at this place unless you use something like that, or you're really, really lucky.
Go down to the water? You go see? Oh, let's go see.
Ready? You're fishing.
Oh my goodness. Right on the water.